Imagine growing up in a place where hope seems hard to find. Yet somehow, against all odds, you rise to become one of the most influential people in the world. That's the incredible story of Oprah Winfrey. Oprah's life journey is full of challenges, triumphs, and inspiring moments. Today, we will dive deep into her story, from her humble beginnings to becoming a global icon. If you want to know how Oprah went from a small town to worldwide fame, keep watching. Chapter 1. Humble Beginnings. Oprah Winfrey was born on January 29, 1954, in Kosciuszko, Mississippi. This was a small rural town. Oprah's family was very poor. They didn't have much money, and life was hard. Oprah lived with her grandmother, Hattie Mae, because her mother, Vernita, had to work far away. Life in Mississippi was tough. Oprah's grandmother was strict, but she also taught Oprah how to read and write before she was even 3 years old. Oprah loved reading, and this skill would later become a big part of her life. As a child, Oprah faced many challenges. She experienced poverty and hardship every day. She also had a difficult childhood, facing abuse and neglect. These early years were full of pain, but Oprah didn't let this break her spirit. Even though she was very young, Oprah was strong. She found comfort in books and her imagination. She dreamed of a better life. Chapter 2. Rising Above Challenges. When Oprah was a teenager, she moved to Nashville, Tennessee, to live with her father, Vernon Winfrey. This was a big change in her life. Vernon was very strict and believed in the value of education. He made sure Oprah went to school and did her best. This was where Oprah's life started to change. In Nashville, Oprah discovered her love for media. She was a great student and even won a scholarship to Tennessee State University. She studied communication, and this was the beginning of her career in media. But life wasn't easy. Oprah still faced many personal hardships. She struggled with self-esteem and body image issues. Yet, she never gave up. Oprah used these challenges to fuel her drive. She was determined to make something of her life. Her passion for communication and helping others guided her forward. Chapter 3. Breaking into media. Oprah's first job in media was at a local radio station in Nashville. She was just 19 years old when she started working as a news anchor. This was a big step, especially for an African-American woman at that time. After gaining experience in radio, Oprah moved on to television. She got her first TV job as a news anchor in Baltimore, Maryland. However, it wasn't an easy job for her. She struggled with the strict news format. But Oprah's talent and warm personality couldn't be hidden. Her bosses noticed her natural ability to connect with people. Soon, Oprah was offered a job in Chicago to host a morning talk show called AM Chicago. This was another big break for her. In 1984, she took the job and moved to Chicago. Her arrival marked the beginning of something extraordinary. Chapter 4. The Oprah Winfrey Show. In 1986, just 2 years after she started hosting AM Chicago, the show was renamed The Oprah Winfrey Show. This was Oprah's big moment. The show quickly became a huge success. It was different from other talk shows because Oprah talked about real issues. She covered topics like race, relationships, and self-improvement. But the road wasn't always smooth. Oprah faced many challenges in establishing her show. There were people who didn't believe in her vision. But Oprah pushed through, using her determination and passion to make the show a success. The Oprah Winfrey Show became a cultural phenomenon. It wasn't just a talk show. It was a platform where people could discuss important issues. Oprah's warm and genuine approach made her a favorite with audiences. The show ran for 25 years, reaching millions of people around the world. Chapter 5. Oprah as a Cultural Icon. Oprah's influence didn't stop with her talk show. She expanded her reach into many other areas. She started a book club that became incredibly popular. When Oprah recommended a book, it would instantly become a bestseller. Her love for reading inspired millions of people to pick up books and read. Oprah also took on acting roles in movies. One of her most famous roles was in the movie The Color Purple. Her performance was powerful, and it showed another side of her talent. Beyond books and movies, Oprah became known for her philanthropy. She used her wealth and influence to help others. She started the Oprah Winfrey Foundation, which supports education and empowerment for women and children around the world. Oprah's work in film, publishing, and philanthropy made her a true cultural icon. Chapter 6: Challenges and Triumphs. Even as she achieved great success, Oprah faced many challenges. In her career, she had to deal with criticism and setbacks. But Oprah didn't let these things stop her. She faced each challenge with courage and determination. One of the biggest challenges Oprah faced was during her early years on television. She was often criticized for her appearance and style. People doubted her ability to succeed. But instead of giving up, Oprah used this negativity as motivation. She worked harder and proved her critics wrong. Another challenge came later in her career when she launched her own television network, OWN. It wasn't easy to start a network from scratch, but Oprah didn't back down. She faced the difficulties head-on and eventually turned OWN into a successful venture. Oprah's ability to rise above challenges and continue pushing forward is a testament to her strength and resilience. She shows us that no matter what life throws at you, you can overcome it with hard work and determination. Chapter 7: Building a Legacy. In 2011, Oprah made a bold move by stepping away from her talk show to focus on creating her own network. OWN, Oprah Winfrey Network. This was a big decision and a risky one too. Starting a network from the ground up was challenging, but Oprah had a vision. She wanted to create content that inspired and uplifted people. The early days of OWN was tough. The network struggled with ratings, and there were doubts about whether it would succeed. But Oprah didn't give up. She continued to work hard, bringing in new shows and fresh ideas. Over time, OWN found its audience and became a success. Oprah's vision for OWN was to create a space where people could find inspiration and learn to live their best lives. Through her network, she continues to influence and inspire millions of people. Her legacy is not just about her success in media, but also about her impact on the world. Oprah's story is a powerful example of how one person can make a difference. Chapter 8: Lessons from Oprah's Life. Oprah Winfrey's life story is full of valuable lessons. One of the biggest lessons we can learn from Oprah is the importance of perseverance. No matter how difficult things get, Oprah shows us that we can overcome obstacles if we keep pushing forward. Another lesson from Oprah's life is the power of self-belief. Oprah believed in herself even when others didn't. She knew that she had something special to offer, and she never let anyone tell her otherwise. This self-confidence helped her achieve great success. Oprah also teaches us the importance of giving back. Throughout her career, she has used her influence to help others, whether through her philanthropy or her inspirational content. Oprah has always been committed to making the world a better place. Finally, Oprah's story reminds us that success is not just about fame or money. True success is about finding your purpose and using your talents to help others. Oprah's journey is a testament to the power of hard work, dedication, and a positive mindset. These are lessons we can all apply to our own lives. Oprah Winfrey's life is truly inspiring. She went from a small town in Mississippi to becoming one of the most influential people in the world. Her journey is a powerful reminder that with hard work, determination, and a positive mindset, anything is possible. If Oprah's story has inspired you, take a moment to think about your own dreams and goals. What can you learn from Oprah's life? How can you apply these lessons to your own journey? Remember, success is within your reach if you believe in yourself and never give up. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories. Also, share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear how Oprah's story has touched your life.